Ragdoll engine video because it kind of sucked. But yeah, I'll push this guy off the edge. Like just. So I'm playing Ragdoll engine. It's a really good game actually. Push this guy off the edge as well. You have to like you press F to Ragdoll and then press like F again and you can do that. And then if you press T, you can actually like go into like first person. It's really jaggy and joggy and I hate it. But yeah. The reason I look like this is because I was doing a jailbreak video. Well, I wasn't doing it, but I was just playing jailbreak and I pretended to be a really new player and then you just see me pull out my really cool guns and stuff and I just started wrecking everyone. So yeah. It's so high. I mean, just look, I had to climb all these stairs and it took me absolutely ages. I don't want to go down. I might as well just go into first person and then ragdoll myself off the edge. Okay, guys, ready? Oh, no, that failed. That. No. There you go. Whoa! Oh, that. Oh. Okay, well, everyone's like dead on the floor here, so. Blech. Pull back on her. Really, guys, everyone's just dying. So yeah, this game is really fun. You can jump off buildings, get downstairs, fall to your death, drown, go down elevators, blow yourself up, like in the minefield. The minefield's actually a thing. Yeet. And you can actually go in these cannons, which is pretty cool. Just gotta jump up the top and you have to click on them actually. You get launched up. Then you just go yeet. So yeah, this is Ragdoll engine. Let's look. Wow. If you reset, I wonder what actually happens. Wait, you're pretty Ragdoll. Your health goes down and your head just becomes strange. Ooh, other than that, oh, you spawn up here. Oh. Oh. Yeet. This is what I look like coming down in the morning at school. But at school, that's what I look like coming down the stairs in the morning. I'm so tired. Okay. Let's go and do some diving. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so cool. Yeah, I think you broke. Oh yeah, people are just dying there. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you just drown. I want to see what happens if I do this. No, you ragdoll so easy in this. Oh, you can actually do that. There's like another game where you jump up and press F and you go. But I guess that. Oh, I guess that doesn't happen in this server. Let's do the stadium emote. Oh god. This is so crazy. Aw. Did you hear that? Oh. Oh. If you just stay here, then the bully will actually kind of squash you. I mean, if you get like guns in this game, you can shoot it down and it go. You could do roleplay murder mystery. Like, I just come to this guy and he goes. Anyway, I'll put the link in the description below for this game because it's actually really fun. It's really simple and kind of sick. So hey guys, this is Ragdoll Engine jumping off the highest edge, which was actually kind of quick. I didn't actually expect it to be that quick. But anyway, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps us out. It gives us the encouragement and support to kind of do more videos when you know that people like your content. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and bye.